In the smallest corners of the forest, the greatest lessons are quietly written.
This is not the story of one hero, but of many moving as one. Alone, each ant is fragile. Together, they are unstoppable. Every journey begins with trust in the path laid by others.
Teamwork starts when individuals choose unity over fear.
Obstacles do not stop them. They reorganize.
No command is spoken, yet every movement has purpose. Communication is silent, but understanding is absolute. What one cannot lift, many can carry. Strength multiplies when effort is shared.
Danger arrives without warning. In moments of threat, unity becomes survival. No one runs. No one is left behind. Together, even fear steps back.
Victory is silent. Focus continues.
Every contribution matters.
This is not chaos. This is coordination.
Preparation today protects tomorrow.
The future is cared for by the present. Adaptation is survival.
When nature tests them, unity answers. They become the solution they need. Sacrifice creates passage.
Setbacks are temporary. Purpose is permanent.
When one stumbles, many lift.
The journey is long, but never lonely. Alignment creates unstoppable momentum.
True teams balance strength and sacrifice.
Rest is strategy, not weakness.
Purpose never sleeps. Discipline wakes before motivation.
Flexibility keeps teams alive.
Weight disappears when shared.
Teams rebuild faster than individuals.
They are small, but essential. Consistency turns effort into legacy.
Challenges never end. Neither do they. Unstoppable is not speed. It is direction. Unstoppable teamwork is not learned. It is lived.